just gonna send.
Are they like the same like size and stuff?
Flood each page with color. Okay, I got 2 new packages from Amazon. I got my little art palette. So this is the MacBook case that I got in marble. Ooh, and puppies. As well as my bamboo brush roll up. And that's it. That's all I got today. Ding. Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys the types of supplies I'll be using as an upcoming college art student. Here I'll be showing you guys 2 different types of bags, one main bag and one art bag. On the main bag, I decorated it with 2 of my favorite pins as well as 2 of my favorite keychains. In the small compartment in the front, I keep all of the items that I tend to use every single day, such as my phone, gum, and earphones. In the zipper behind it, I keep an emergency pouch for pads. As well as my wallet with my cash and cards. My lanyard with my car keys. And a pepper spray. The design on my lanyard are spirits from the movie Spirited Away, and I also have 2 other keychains. The first one has my nickname on a rice, while the other is Hello Kitty. In the smallest compartment, I keep all of my beauty products such as Vaseline, chapstick, and my bobby pins. The Tide to Go stick would also fall in this category. Moving on to the main compartment. I first have my bullet journal. This one is the black moleskin with dotted paper. Next, I have my planner to keep myself organized. This one is weekly and monthly. I like to use this to jot down any upcoming events or homework assignments. For notes, I'll be using the White Lines notebook. What I like about this is that the paper is gray with white grid. I have 3 clear folders and 1 pink 6-pocket folder. I like to use the 6-pocket one for any upcoming homeworks or assignments to stay organized. Since I'll be an art student, I'll also be carrying my sketchbook in here. And finally, I have my pencil case. In here, I carry 3 of my favorite mild liner colors, as well as 2 different types of whiteouts, a tape one and a pen one. Next, I have 6 different colored pens, a gray, brown, blue, red, and black one. The mechanical pencil I'll be using is from Muji. And along with that, I'll be carrying a lead case. as well as my favorite eraser. Outside of my main backpack, I also have two cases. One is for my computer. Inside the zipper, I'll be keeping a mouse, as well as a charger. The computer I'll be using is a MacBook Pro with a marble casing. The next case I have is for my iPad. In this zipper, I have the Apple Pencil and a charger. I'll be using this iPad mostly for notes as well as my white lines notebook. Moving on to the art bag, I decorated it with a Bob Ross keychain. Inside this tote bag has two pockets which are perfect for my ruler and my brush case. This ruler is just a standard 12-inch. And this brush case is made of bamboo. This year my teacher recommended a size 2 and a size 6 round brush, so I got those. And I also bought 3 more brushes. The middle one is my personal favorite. Next, I also have a painting palette. And my watercolors. Next, I have my art pencil case, and I also fixed the zipper, so in the future you guys will be seeing a video on how I did that. Inside this pouch, I have charcoal pencils, as well as different graphite pencils. Along with that, I have a sharpener. As well as 2 different types of erasers. One is a sand eraser while the other is a kneaded one. Next I have inks. This one is a black India ink, and the next one is just a regular black ink. I also have another pencil case. This one I like to keep all of my art pens. I have the Micron pens, a Uniball, white jelly rolls, as well as a Sharpie. Then I like to keep all of my sticky notes in here, such as a plain one, a Bob Ross themed one, my personal favorite sticky notes, as well as 2 extra ones. Next in my bag, I have index cards as recommended by my art teacher. As well as a gel matte medium. I have some black masking tape. And finally, some paints. Of course, I will not be bringing all of this to school every single day, but these will be the supplies that I'll be using every so often. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and good luck at school.